Hi, I'm Dr. Udine Harry. And over the past few days, I have been at a loss for words, not really knowing what to say, how to say it, how it can even express how I'm feeling. But at this point, I've decided that I can no longer be silent. Mr. George Floyd, when you left your house that day, you had no idea that you would become the symbol of a lot of what is wrong in this country and the world today. You have no idea that you would become the symbol that represented all the fears that as mothers and sisters and daughters and wives that we experience each day as we get up and watch our sons, our husbands, our brothers, and our fathers leave to go to work or to simply just carry on their day. You had no idea that you would become a symbol to galvanize what has been a very divided country to this point. I am a black female physician. I'm a mother of beautiful children. I'm a wife. I'm a daughter. I'm a sister. And all of those parts of me are struggling to be heard right now. The depth of this issue is further than we can sometimes even imagine. To Mr. George Floyd's family, I have no words that will make this more bearable. My heart is anguished. It's broken. My soul is tired. And I saw where you described your brother as a gentle giant. And I too have many gentle giants in my life. To that gentle giant, I say, your life will not have been in vain. We will remember what you help us to start realizing. To all the people that have started to give me hope again, I say thank you. To the Amish demonstrators, I say thank you. To those group of white women who stood in front of the protesters, I say thank you. To those group of police officers who took a knee and joined the protesters, I say thank you. I say thank you for acknowledging that all life is important. I say thank you for acknowledging that the stresses of life can negatively impact everyone. I thank you for acknowledging that you no longer find it acceptable that anyone has to live in fear. So I don't know for sure what our next steps are going to be. But I do know for sure that we should continue to advocate for life, because as a physician and as a mother, life is precious. Let's let the world know that we will no longer accept the callousness. We will no longer accept a society that does not make room for Black lives. This is Dr. Harry, signing off. Thank you.